to our machine. The component which we are going to demonstrate right now is this component. It is called as fan cover for the top fan cover for the fan industry, and the holes to be drilled on this machine are total 9 number of holes, drilling here, 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 here and here, and there are 6 tappings also. Now we see the actual machining operation. Now you will see the component being loaded on the machine. As I said, the machine you are seeing at the moment is two-way 4-station rotary indexing SPM, specially designed for ceiling fan top cover. The operation performed the top cover in this machine is drill 9 holes. The drilling head on the left side of the machine, which you are seeing, is for drilling 9 holes. The 9 holes are 5.16 holes and 7 mm 3 holes. Again you are seeing the component getting loaded. Now the rotary indexing table will move after the operation is over. The job has come under the drilling station. Now the drilling head has come down. In all, you will find that there are total 15 spindles, that is 9 for drilling and 6 for tapping on the machine. And since this is an adjustable multi-spindle machine where the center distances for both drills and taps can be adjusted within a range. One more interesting and important feature for this machine is this is a pneumatically operated machine. That means the drill head is operated through pneumatic pressure. However, hydraulically operated machines also can be made available. The beauty of rotary indexing machine is you get one job after each indexing, as you can see here, and the loading and unloading takes place when the component is undergoing the drilling and tapping cycle. One more important thing is, as a part of SPL, this machine is equipped with application specific logic controller, that is ASLC for automation, which includes full auto cycle operational sequence and interlocks. The ASLC also comes with built-in man-machine interface, that is MMI, which displays the operation cycle being carried out, as well as diagnostic messages will appear on the screen, and this particular machine is also equipped with job counter, tool change message, energy saver, etc. Thank you. After the machine, at the start of the shooting, we saw a component which was as offered to the machine. Now here you can see the component as coming out of the machine. You will see 1, 2, 3 holes, again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Put together 9 holes have been drilled, and also there are 6 tappings done on the same component on this particular head.